Hello YouTube, back with another video, and today we have a Friedrich window air conditioner with a Kenmore front grille. I used that so I can change the filter pulling this way because of the beds here instead of it pulling upside down. So I changed the front grille and threw the Kenmore away. Kenmore went out, bearings on the fan was going out, and it was going in thermal overload on the compressor. So now we got a Friedrich window air conditioner in with a kenmore front plate. Go outside. Got it propped up with a trophy. The drip can, so the drip likes to run off this way and drip for some reason. There's a wasp over here, so I don't get stung. But it's a Friedrich window air conditioner. Spider web. I got the coil that wraps around right here. Doesn't wrap around all the way. Here's inside. You can really see all that wheel inside there. And a wraparound coil. Well, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.